Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Twilio console, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into the Twilio console, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.twilio.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Twilio homepage. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your credentials. First, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you prefer, you can click the show icon to reveal your password. Once your credentials are entered, click the login button at the bottom of the form. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Twilio console. If you encounter an issue, check to ensure your email and password are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page to enter your new password. Once logged in, navigate through the Twilio console to access your projects and services. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to enter the code sent to your device. With your account successfully logged in, you can now manage your Twilio services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.